Okay, now don't actually go out and sell everything and buy these 5 stocks, but if I had to sell everything and buy 5 stocks, these are the 5 I'd buy, starting off with PayPal at number 5. PayPal's trading at $66 right now, and for December 2027, by the end of it, I think their EPS is going to be $6.31. Their PE I upped to 18 because I think it's low. That would give us a price of $113.58, which is a 71% increase over that time. Analysts think 1 year from now that PayPal is going to be at around $84, which is a 30% increase. Historically, PayPal's PE has been over 30. That's been in decline because of increased competition, and their moat has been decreasing. The industry PE for PayPal is about 20 to 25, so I think 18 for 2027 is more than fair. PayPal's risk because of that competition piece I put as medium. The reward's still high though, so that for me makes PayPal a buy. Number 4 is New Holdings. They're trading at $12 and change. EPS is, I put at 1.1, which is a 175% increase for December 2027 over today. I dropped their PE to 25, although it certainly could stay high. That would give us a price for New Holdings at 27.5, which is a 122% increase over where it trades today. Analysts think that 1 year from now, New Holdings is going to be trading at $14, which is a 13% increase, which doesn't sound like much, but given my projections, it should be a little more than that. The average PE for fintech right now is 2025, so that's why I dropped New Holdings PE down to 25. This presents a little bit of valuation risk, so I put the risk as medium. The reward is still high though, so New Holdings is a strong buy just because a 122% return in 2.5 years I think is really, really good. Much better than the market certainly, and the S&P 500 traditionally. Number 3, I have Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin's at $4.75 right now, and for the end of 2027, I put their EPS at $32.01, which is a 38% increase. I dropped their PE to 18. That would give us a price of $576.18, which is a 21% increase over the next 2.5 years. Analysts think that price is going to be $520.38 in 1 year, which is only a 9% increase, but for something like LMT, that's not bad. Very, very low risk company, especially with the current contracts. The PE is typically around 14. It's currently 20, so that is a bit high. Good enough dividend at 2.7%. Their moat is very high. It's Lockheed Martin after all. The risk is kind of low, medium, but I put them as low. The reward is high. I put LMT as a strong buy. Number 2 is Microsoft. I have Microsoft at $3.94 is what they're trading at today. For December 2027, I put their EPS at $16.97, which is a 37% increase. The PE I dropped to 30, which is a 6% decline. That would give us a Microsoft price of $509.1 for December 2027, which is a 30% increase. The analyst 1 year for Microsoft, get this, is $480.78, so that's a 22% increase. That's optimistic. Their historical PE has been around 30, and it's a little higher. That's why I dropped it to account for that risk. So it's right around its historical average for Microsoft. That makes the risk pretty low for me. The reward's medium. I put Microsoft as a strong buy. Number 1 stock, if I had to sell everything and buy 5 stocks, is Google, Alphabet stock. It's trading at $162.06 today, and for December 2027, I put their EPS at $12.05, which is a 34% increase. I upped their PE actually to 20. I upped it 11%. That would give us a price of $241 or 49%. That's pretty crazy when you're talking about a company Google's size doing that kind of growth over that time. The analyst 1 year estimate is $202.93, which is a 25% increase over 1 year is insane. That is an insane projection by analysts, and my calculations certainly agree with that. Historically, the PE has been 20 to 25. It's currently 18. It's pretty undervalued if you compare it to previous PEs, but now that a lot of that growth has been factored in, is what's supposed to have happened, although there's certainly more growth projected in the future. That makes the risk really low. The reward is high. I give Google a strong buy. I would buy mostly Google. And if you want to see an honorable mention, go check out this video right hear otherwise. Thank you and good night.